In this video, we are going to look at average code word length, and it's an important consideration in information theory. So the average code word length, which we're going to denote E of L or EL per source symbol, is given as follows. Suppose we have n symbols in our alphabet, and for each of those symbols there's a probability of that symbol. So let's just look at that there in the equation. So there are n symbols there. Each of those symbols has a probability of occurring, and the length of each code word is they come in either zeros or ones, so it's 0110 or something like that. So each code word would have its own length. So what we could do is we multiply the probability of the code word by the length of that code word. Now this is best illustrated with an example here. So here we have 6 symbols A, B, C, D, E, and F. And here is the code word lengths, and these might be generated by something like Huffman coding or Shannon coding or something like that. 0000, all down the way to 11. Now, what is important in this particular instance is the code word length. So there's 4 bits there, 000. So essentially the code word length is 4. 001, it's 3. And 11, the code word length there is just 2. So it's straightforward enough. What we're going to do is multiply the probability of each code word by the code word length. So let's do that now. So this is based on the table we've just seen previously. What we're going to do is multiply out each of the code word lengths. So 0.05 by 4, that gives us 0.20. 0.08 by 4, that's 0.32. 0.11 times 3, that's 0.33. 0.20 by 2, 0.40. 0.26 by 2, 0.52. And lastly, 0.30 times 2, that's 0.60. What we have to do now is add up all of those values here, and 0.20 plus 0.32 and so on. And the answer we would get there is 2.37 bits. So let's just indicate the decimal point there. Now, so let's just have a clearer example of that. So again, I'll just write it down here at the bottom. We add them all up, 2.37. So that is the answer. The average code word length is 2.37 bits. And that ends our presentation.